To other news now, the St. James police have taken 3 people into custody in connection with an ongoing cyberbullying incident involving 2 students at the Mount Alvernia High School in the parish. The 3 are students from schools across St. James.
But me really don't know what to do, and even when I went to the ministry, I said I just need your guidance, a guidance me need.
A mother fights the tears as she details what her child has been forced to endure over the last few months due to cyberbullying at the Mount Alvernia High School in St. James. TVJ News understands that the matter involves several students from at least 3 schools in the parish. For this mother, the emotional scars have been devastating for the teen and the family.
These people on social media, they said they will not stop until she kills herself. That's the comment that they made in several different posts, right? She doesn't want to go back there. And remember, there are multiple schools in Montego Bay that have been involved, right? So that makes it difficult for her. So the intention has to be that she is outside of Montego Bay. That's where the war is for me in my mind, because I know nothing outside of Montego Bay.
And if that was not already a struggle, a video with several claims against the child's father recently surfaced.
Right now, I'm fear for my life because persons go look upon you and say, yo, listen, this man is a molester. I don't know if it is the worst situation. Right now, I'm fear for my life. I want to go progress tomorrow in terms of providing for my family.
It comes as the police intensify their investigations, and on Monday, this revelation from Commanding Officer Senior Superintendent Aaron Samuels.
We now have 3 persons in custody, and we have recorded statements from persons involved in the whole matter.
The case has reignited concerns about cyberbullying and the misuse of technology by minors, with law enforcement warning that what may appear as a joke can quickly become a criminal matter. DSP Michael Moore is the crime officer for the division.
Cyberbullying is an offense, and it is one for which you can be charged. And we at the St. James Investigation Branch intend to conduct our investigations diligently, and we can promise that the offenders will be brought to justice whenever a report is made to us.
As the investigations continue, parents are also being urged not to leave their children's mobile devices unchecked.
Make some checks in regards to their day-to-day activities. Get the passwords for these cell phones and these gadgets or devices that they are using, and monitor their activities across the social spaces.